Lecithin, an amazing youth element. Lecithin is the most abundant of phospholipids. It is a fatty food substance which serve as a structural material for every cell in the body. It is an essential constituent of human brain and nervous system. It forms 30% of the dry weight of brain and 17% of nervous system. Lecithin is also an important component of endocrine glands and muscles of the heart and kidneys. It makes up to 73% of total liver fat. Nervous, mental, and glandular overactivity can consume lecithin faster than its replacement. This may render a person irritable and exhausted. It is therefore of utmost importance to add lecithin in the diet if the body's own supply decreases, as in old age or working under stress.